In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wiki linking in OneNote. This is a powerful feature that allows you to quickly connect different pages within your notebook, helping you stay organized and navigate your content more efficiently as your notes grow. To begin, open your OneNote application and access the notebook where you want to create your links. This is where all your pages and sections are stored, so take a moment to make sure everything has fully loaded. Once your notebook is ready, you can start building connections between your notes. Wiki linking in OneNote is designed to create shortcuts between pages using a simple typing method. Instead of manually searching for related content, you can link pages together directly within your notes. This is especially useful when you're working with detailed information or managing multiple topics that are connected to each other. To create a link, start by typing the exact title of the page you want to connect to. It's important that the name matches an existing page in your notebook so the link can direct you correctly. After typing the page title, immediately add 2 closing square brackets right after the text. As soon as you do this, OneNote will automatically convert the text into a clickable link. You'll notice that the text changes appearance, usually turning into a different color, which indicates that it is now active. When you click on this link, it will instantly take you to the page with the matching title. This creates a smooth and fast way to jump between related notes without interrupting your workflow. This feature becomes incredibly useful when you're organizing large amounts of information. Instead of scrolling through multiple sections or repeatedly using the search tool, you can simply click your links to move between topics. Over time, this allows you to build a well-structured system where all your ideas are connected in a logical way. By using Wiki linking, you're essentially creating your own network of notes inside your notebook. It improves both accessibility and efficiency, especially when dealing with complex or ongoing projects. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to use Wiki linking in OneNote to connect your pages seamlessly and improve your overall note-taking experience. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.